Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to copy your Twitter link on phone. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe 5-minute solution. So first of all, open your Twitter app and tap on your profile photo to the top left corner of the screen and tap on profile. And once you're here, tap on this three dot icon to the right hand corner of the screen and tap on share. And here you will need to tap on copy to clipboard. So my profile link has been copied and I'm going to show you so I'm going to pasting the link here, and here you can see my Twitter profile link has been copied. So that's how you can copy Twitter profile link. So if this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to 5-minute solution. Thank you for watching.